Hello, everyone. My name is Abby Ingram. It's nice to meet everybody. For my job, I work for UPMC Community Health Choices. We deliver long term supports and services to individuals who wish to either maintain their independence in the community or return to the community and regain some independence after spending time in a nursing facility. Some of the things that I really hope to get from this class are just a really deeper understanding of how trauma really affects people in their daily lives and what it is that myself and my service coordinators can do to, really meet people where they are and have a baseline, at least baseline understanding of how the trauma they've experienced is basically feeding into some of the choices and the decisions that they're making and how we can best serve them as a whole person, not just the functional need of the person, but also, the needs surrounding their social and emotional health as well, because that is utmost important in having a full sense of independence. I think this is relevant to my future career really because the population that I serve and that I've come to love is not just individuals who are much older, which is what a lot of people think when I say nursing home or at my work when we discuss nursing homes, when in fact a lot of the participants that we have become disabled. Through fault of their own and through no fault of their own. Accidents, bad decisions when drinking, other types of substance abuse, or not by their fault. They've been in car accidents, they've been injured at their job, and have come to be disabled. So I think that type of trauma is really deep for people, and being able to have a better understanding, I think, can only benefit me as I grow in my field. As far as self care goes, I would say that one of the really big things that I want to do is continue on with yoga. I recently got back into it again, and I mean recently in the last like couple weeks, jumped back into it, and I'm already starting to feel a little better, especially with constantly being home. I work from home, obviously. I live in my home. I don't have any children, so yoga's been really good for my mind and my body, honestly. Another thing I'd like to do is do some reading for just sheer pleasure. I haven't done that in a little while. There's a couple good mysteries that have come out that, I'd like to just, find a quiet place and devour. I think that'll be really good for my peace of mind. One of the other things that I'm doing is I'm going to start journaling in a CBT book called The Anti Anxiety Handbook, and just ways to keep my mind positive, keep my anxieties tampered down, especially because the world's been pretty wild here in the recent times. So those are the three biggest things that I plan on doing for self-care. I look forward to meeting everyone, getting the semester up and running, and learning some more about trauma. Thank you very much. I hope everybody has a great night.